Hey everyone, it's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Huawei Honor Magic 2. So let's talk specs.
Oh yeah.
The list of specs is pretty impressive, especially if you keep in mind the amount that I paid for the device, which is $729, and I purchased the device off of Amazon. It's pretty close or similar to the specs of the Huawei Mate 20 series. Let's remove the lid off of the box. And here we reveal the phone itself wrapped in plastic with a nice pull tab. I'm a sucker for a pull tab. And the device is rather light. Here is the SIM ejection tool, and inside this package will house the manual and the case. And let's pull the case out. And I know a lot of you are wondering, at least I was wondering, how can you have a case with a slider phone? But here you have it. Next up is the charging cable, which will be type C with a splash of purple. And the cable itself is thick and a decent length. Next up is the dongle, actually. So there's no headphone jack like the Mate 20X, so you'll have to use another dongle and carry that around. And look at this, a charging brick that I can actually use. It's the supercharged charging brick, and that's a nice one. So let's go ahead and dig into the phone. I will go ahead, remove the plastic off of the device to reveal yet another very attractive looking phone. It makes you not want to use a case when you have phones like this. Let's go ahead and take a walkthrough around the phone. First up is the microphone, the type C port, the only speaker on the phone, which is a bummer. Coming up right here is the SIM tray. There's no expandable storage for this. And up here is the IR blaster, another microphone. Going off to the other side, you have your up and down volume keys, your power button that doesn't have any accent. I like when companies put colors on the power key. The cameras that we spoke about, and let me go ahead and peel the sticker off of this because it makes it look very ugly. I mean, oh my, I'm not even going to want to use a case, to be honest. This might be the first phone that I might break because I don't have a case on it. We'll see how it goes. So let's go ahead and check that slider out. Here's all the triple cameras for your face ID, but you see the sliding noise that everyone kind of likes. I want to go ahead and place the case on. And with the case on, no issues sliding the phone to reveal the cameras. That's nice. Okay, so I'm gonna take the case back off because I just like staring at this phone. Booting the phone up, I kind of fast forwarded this for you guys. Oh boy. Okay, so this is my very first time with this happening. As you see, the battery is extremely low and it's giving me a warning for the most part. So let me see. I don't know if this is wirelessly charging phone, and it appears not to be. Okay, so let me go ahead and get a cable. I've never had a phone shipped. Look at it, it's telling me that I have 30 seconds and the phone's gonna shut down. Will I make it? And no, I didn't make it. So let me go ahead and plug in the device. So yeah, that is the very first time that has happened. I don't know if it has something to do with the temperature probably, but still, I've gotten phones sent all seasons, and normally I have a good amount to at least do the unboxing. So that kind of throws everything off that I'm used to. I'm a very routine type of person. So here it is booting back up, and it's the Honor series. So I don't know if you notice, but in all my unboxings, it never goes straight to this screen. Normally it has you type in the country that you're in and the time zone and all that. So this is a little different for me, and let's see, the screen is actually very nice. These are the preloaded little pictures they have in there, but the photos are very nice, vibrant. Let's go ahead and go to About Phone so we can see what we're working with. Looks like Android 9 and Magic UI version 2.0. Next, let me go ahead and set up the fingerprint reader. That's what I typically like to do for you, and let's see how fast and easy this is. Let me go ahead and put in my pen. Okay, and now we will begin to set up the finger ID. So it's telling us to go ahead and enroll. So I will place my fingers, but I will fast forward this for you. And as always, I like to use both thumbs so that I can, whatever way I pick up the phone or whatever hand I pick up the phone, I'll be able to unlock it. So we're all good to go. And next I want to go ahead and do the face recognition for you. So I'll put in my pen again. And so we'll go ahead and enroll the face. That gives a slight little disclaimer. Okay, it's telling me to go ahead and slide the phone down so it can reveal the cameras, so it can go ahead and take my picture of my face. So it has successfully enrolled my face. Now let's go ahead and see. Oh, so we'll do the direct unlock. And I like that there's no swiping up once the phone recognizes your face. To me, I just like it. It's faster. So let's go ahead and start with the fingerprint. That's 1. Oops, that's 2. That time I didn't have it completely on there. So as you see, it's pretty accurate. And sliding down, look how quick that recognized the face and unlocked the phone. So let me press the button, and there you go. So it's pretty fast. I just have to get used to it, and remember, being behind the camera makes it a little difficult. I would like to now try out the smoothness of scrolling using this device. So here we are. 1, 2, 3 swipes will get me down to the bottom. So it's pretty smooth, but it's not the fastest that I've used, but it is still smooth. Let's go ahead and try it against the smooth scrolling master, which is known as the OnePlus 6T in my world. So we're to the app drawer we go, and the slider came down on the Magic Honor 2, so I'll have to get used to that. But here we go. Let's go back up to the top and we'll see. And 1 swipe will get me to the bottom of my list on the OnePlus 6T. And again, a few swipes of the thumb will get me to the bottom of the list. Next up is one of the most important features, that would be the audio and video quality testing. And I will stop talking right now. The audio quality is so-so. If I had to rank it, I would give it a thumbs down. The next thing I wanted to do, someone asked if you can just pull the camera, the phone, slide it down, and will it take a selfie? I had to go ahead and toggle that feature on. So as you see, when I slide the phone down, it goes directly to the selfie, snap a picture, and it's just like that. That's a great feature that they put in there, because I would think it'd be kind of lame if it didn't. So let's take a picture with the rear facing camera, and I'll take a quick snap of the OnePlus 6T Uma Digi just to do it. And let's go to the picture, flip it, rotate it, and it takes decent photos. The cameras are actually pretty decent. Here is a video that I took so you can see the quality, a picture. And here's a low light picture. As you see, it's blowing out over there where it says men and women. And here's a cool feature. Now, that was the unboxing and my first use of the Honor Magic 2. I don't know if it honestly will replace my favorite phone that I'm using right now, which is the Huawei Mate 20X, which I will be doing a review on shortly. Anyways, thanks for hanging in there watching this unboxing. Merry Christmas to everyone. Happy holidays. And until next time, peace.